Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a craft beer website using Shopify. So first be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First we're going to go over here to our product section. We're going to click on add product and here we're going to start filling all the blanks with our product's information. For example, over here, I'm going to start with my IPA beer and we're going to copy our title, and here in the description we're going to paste it and click on generate. This way Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to generate a description for us, and here we can either choose to generate the description again or just click here to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on upload new and we're going to choose an image for our product. On our right, we're going to have a product type, vendor, collection, and tax section. For collections, make sure you add your product to your homepage collection. And here on tags, we can put whatever we want. For example, I'm just going to put craft beer. Now, here below our media section, we're going to have a category section. Usually Shopify is going to choose one for us, and it's almost always going to be correct. But if we click over here, we can change it if we so wanted. For the pricing, let's say that we're going to charge around 10,000 pesos for our beer, and our cost per item is going to be around 7,000 pesos, which is going to leave us with a 3,000 pesos profit at a 30% margin of profit. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of it. And here we also have a weight section to assign weight to our product in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. So once we are done customizing our product, we're going to go over here on the bottom right and we're going to click on save. So once our product is saved, well, as you can see right over here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products of my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm. So as you can see here, I have added a bunch of new products. For example, my wheat beer, my lager beer, my and my brown ale. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to my online store, and here I'm going to start to customize it. The first thing that we're going to be able to change, it's going to be its theme. If we go down, you can see that Shopify is going to provide us with a bunch of different free themes, but if we want to shop for more of them, we can click over here on visit theme shop, and this is going to redirect us to the Shopify theme shop, where we're going to be able to see a lot of different themes, some of which may better suit our website. For me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now, and once we are back over here, I'm going to click on customize. Here we're going to be able to start customizing our website. As you can see, if I click over here on this section, it's going to be outlined by this blue line, and on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have a bunch of different options to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner, and if we click over here and select add images, we're going to be able to select an image to be our banner. So once it's done uploading, I'm going to click on done, and as you can see, the image of our banner is going to change. Next, I'm going to click on our heading so that we can change the text right over here. For example, I'm going to put welcome to my craft beer website. There you go. So let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is I'm going to click over here on template on add section, and here we're going to have a bunch of different options. For example, a featured collection, featured product, collection list, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and as you can see, a new section is going to appear right at the bottom. So once we have this selected, we're going to go over here on the right on product, and we're going to select a product to be displayed right on our new section. For example, I'm going to choose my wheat beer, and as you can see, the product is going to be displayed right around here. Now let's say that we want to add we want to change things up. For example, we're going to change the color scheme of our section. There you go. Now we're going to have a nice dark theme. Another thing that can happen, for example, is that we have added a new section by mistake, for example, a featured collection right over here. Now, in order to delete it, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we have the section we want to delete selected, and here on the bottom right, we're going to click on remove section. That way, the section is going to be completely removed. We can also add sections to our footer right over here. As you can see, we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid. And here the same goes for our header. We can also add a custom liquid and an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is that right around here our store's name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes, we're going to exit, and here on the home page of Shopify we're going to go to name your store, name store, and here finally we're going to be able to change our store's name. For me, I'm just going to put, for example, craft beer. I'm going to save my changes. Now, in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go to our online store again, but now we are going to click on the three dots, preview, and here we're going to be able to check our website. As you can see here on our header, the name of the store is going to be changed, and we can scroll down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. So once we are done checking out our website, we're going to go back over here in order to go over the analytics and marketing section. And next we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as for example which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say I'm going to put code 101, or we can just click over here and Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click Save Discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.